Hey YouTube, it's Justin the Junkie. How the fuck are you guys doing today?
This crazy big badass ball. Wanted up north all the gold that I stole, along with some cash, even took the mayor's daughter. Now that there's kidnapped.
Today I got something here for Enzo. This is a gift, is Easter gift. You guys will see this on Easter, so happy Easter, guys. This is his Easter gift, and she wanted me to do a video of putting it together. My mom says that this is complicated. But anyway, step 2, I don't even know, is this Fisher Price? Who makes this shit? I don't know. It looks like she got him, it looks like some kind of Cadillac car thing here, so he can, you know, play around in her house, in her yard, and run this into a whole bunch of shit. So, I'm going to shoot this video of me putting this motherfucker together, you know, and later I will, you know, probably in another video I'll get a video of him playing with it and all that stuff. He's getting a lot bigger right now. He's becoming a little stinker. So, without further ado, let's fucking open this motherfucker and see what we got here. I got about a half an hour to put this together, then I gotta go do some other stuff, you know, so we'll see what we got here. Oh boy. Oh god, it's got stickers. Okay, this is gonna be fucked. Alright, let's pull this out. Time! Alright. See what we got here. Oh, yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ. Alrighty. The thing don't look very clean, but alrighty. Don't know where that goes. A lot of plastic and small fucking screws and bolts. Alrighty. Move all this shit out of the way, get the sticker kit out of the way. Let's look at our parts. Really need a bigger thing here. You would think that they could just have this put together, you know, without all this shit here. This might take a little bit longer than a half an hour. Alright, we're going to need a screw gun. See, screw gun here. Put you over here. Alright, that looks like a number 2 Phillips. Alright. Let's get out the instructions here. Oh! Fuck! Boy, there is a lot of goddamn steps. Alright, it says we need a ratchet, screwdriver, and a hammer. Alright, a lot of steps here. I did not realize there was going to be this many goddamn steps. Look at this. Ho ho! Whoa! Okay. Well, let's go to step 1 here. That's... oh shit. This might take a little bit longer here. So the first thing it says is we got to put this down in there. Alright. This. Oh, that don't fucking work. Oh, it doesn't fit in the fucking hole. Doesn't fit in the fucking hole here. Alright. Let's flip this over. Ah! Fuck me. Fuck me. Need $100,000 worth of tools to put this motherfucker together. Alright, put that there. Alright. Step 8, done. And then it says we need something else here. Q. What are Q's? Oh, that's this. Here we go. Okay, that's done. Alright, moving right along. This might not take as long as it takes here. Okay, now we got that beat on. We're way ahead of you there. Alright, now we need this thing. Alright, and 4-inch screws. So we got to get these screws here and put this on. Oh, going together like fucking butter. Alrighty. We got this one screwed in here. My mom, can you put this together? I'm going to tell you what, my mom gets me into more fucked up shit than anybody I've ever seen. Okay, now we got, alright, now what do we got here? So we got this thing. Not a lot of room here on the workbench when you got all this shit. So next step is you hammer this into there, a wheel, and then you have a washer, plastic bearing, and another bearing. Alright, now I see a problem here. We don't have enough parts. We're missing some parts. So then this goes like this. We're missing the rear axle of this fucking thing. That's not fucking good. So then you take this and you pound this. I think that's how it says to go. Yeah, okay. No! Alright, there's one. So this is so you don't break these plastic caps. If you saw that. Alrighty. There's that. Oh boy. Oh boy. Just like I thought, we're missing fucking parts. Son of a bitch. Son of a bitch. My mom bought some janky shit again. Because it was on clearance. And we got no axle. So we got no rear axle here. Alright. So we're going to have to... Oh shit, and I fucked that up. Alright, I'm going to have to figure something out for a rear axle here. Alrighty, I fixed the chrome rod thing that I... Alrighty, we got the lock on there for the door. Alright, then it says we got to put that in there. Alright, that's for the door. Alright, now we got that on there. Alright, we need this part. Okay, and then this screws onto there. And I'm assuming we're going to use these type of screws right here. What I got to do is find a rod. I'm going to have to go to the hardware store and kind of measure me something up. We need a smooth rod because this thing didn't come with an axle in the back. So I'm going to have to make one. You know, always something. You know, think if these kids' parents weren't as handy as the junkie, you know. You would have to take this back. I'm sure my mom bought this at Toys R Us. Everybody knows that Toys R Us is going out of business. So there's probably nothing that you could do. Alright, then this screws on there. Alright, and we got more screws to put in there. Yep. So it's just got some screws that got to go. One goes here on the outside. Now our door works a lot better. There is one here. Now they don't pre-drill any of these holes for you here. You know, it's just out of the mold into the box. Alright, there's that. Coming along. Alright, there's that. Now, alrighty, we got that on there. Without, now we got to put this on here. Okay, and that gets this. Well, would you look at that? Look at that. There's no hole there. They didn't drill it far enough through. Don't worry. Junkie took care of it. Yep. Need the hammer. Alright, now let's get impact out because we ain't got all that kind of time. Alright. I bet this is millimeter. 11 millimeter. That's a weird fucking size. So it says you got to put this on there. Get our 1/4 inch innie packed out. Tighten right up. Now I have a feeling there's got to be some more screws somewhere in that thing. Alright, so there's 4 screws that hold this on. So let me put them on here on the inside. They kind of got like depressions where they go. Oh yeah, tighten that right up. Tighten that right up. Yeah. Fuck. Fuck. It's fucking hotter than fuck in this shop. I'm also frustrated because we don't have all the parts. There we go. 2 more back here. If we can get these to start. There we go. In there like swimwear. Okay. There's that. Now all we got to do is find a threaded rod. Now this thing is going to go down in there, but I don't understand how it's supposed to work. What the fuck? Alright, so what it says is down in here, it's got these, we put the steering wheel in. Oh yeah! Alright, now I don't understand why it has... I thought he was supposed to be able to drive this himself, but it has this shelf in the bottom. I'm going to screw it in because I think this is supposed to be like, you're supposed to push him around maybe? I don't fucking know. I don't know what this thing is, but I got to go to the hardware store. So we'll screw this in there. Alright. Alrighty. So this is the car is about as far as we can take her till we get that axle, till I figure out what size that axle is. Now I may have to order this thing from McMaster Car because it didn't come with one. So I gotta find the diameter here. But anyway, I'll have to try to find a threaded or a smooth chrome rod for it because it didn't come with one. And then we will get the wheels on it, put the stickers on it, we'll be done. Might have to order this from McMaster Car, who knows. Alrighty, after a trip to the hardware store and some other places, we got this here. I think this rod needs to be about 17.5 inches in between wheel centers here, give or take. You know, I don't know the overall length, but you know, we're just gonna guesstimate this here. Now I had to get a 3/8 rod from the fucking hardware store here, if you will. So somebody must have used this. Finish. Somebody must have used this and didn't fucking clean it up. I think I know who did that. Alright, so this rod is 3/8. I did upgrade to stainless. So Fisher Price, you owe me 25 bucks for this fucking rod that wasn't in the fucking box here. Let's get rid of that shit. Alright. Now, get rid of the instructions here. Now let's see what we got here. We got to put the rod through there. Alright. That's way too fucking long. We're going to have to trim this down. God damn, this fucking piece of shit. Let me do it this way. It's probably going to have to be shorter. Fucking stay up there, motherfucker. There we go. Alright. Let's see what we got here. That looks a little long on the axle length, to be honest with you. I don't think it needs to be that long, so we're going to have to do some modifying here. Oh, yeah. That's a little long. So we're going to have to get out the cutter again. Alright, and we'll put this down there. And we will just... Alright, you can see we got our line. We just got to modify this down a little bit here. Alright, let me get out the cutter. Modify this. Fucking fixed. Who knew? Putting kids' toys together, you have to be a stage 5 engineer. You know what I'm saying? Have a master's degree from MIT. You know, all to put a fucking piece of shit $50 car together from some shithole fucking company. You know what I'm saying? it ceases to amaze me there, YouTube. What it basically says is that you should have $100,000 worth of tools everywhere you fucking go. Alrighty. So now let's take a look at her here. Oh yeah. Fucking fixed. Alright, now let's do the fun part and get this kind of cleaned up. Put some glass cleaner on it here. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, right there. Just sauce this up a little bit. Clean all this mold release off there. Then we'll get ready and stick her up. It's got this beautiful blue color here. You know, I had to go somewhere, and I called my mom the time and said, this car you want me to build is a complete piece of shit. It's not supposed to be complicated, but it is. Think about trying to put this thing together Christmas Eve night or whatever. You know, I guess it's just a lesson. You know what I'm saying? It has some cup holders here, so as you're walking them, you know, you can do whatever. But, you know how it goes, YouTube. I mean, I'm just telling you, this shit's fucked. Fucked. I have never, I don't know if this is anything that you guys have ever came across, but I have never seen anything that says, I have never seen anything, to be honest with you, that comes right out of the box and, you know, is easy to bolt together and modified there. Alright, so we'll put this sticker on here. Oh yeah. Look at that. There's where that one goes. Alright. Now, put this on. So there's that one. Get you swung around here. Look at that. Look at that. Alright, now let's do the, I know there's some fog lights down here. You know, fog lights. Nothing like a little bit of fog light love. Alright, let's get this one on. Oh, look at that. Alrighty. Ready for the grill there. Look at that. Starting to come together, YouTube. Starting to come together. Alright, now we have some other shit. Alright, this one goes over here. Perfect. We have, let's see, that one goes there. Oh, it has navigation on the inside of it. Interesting. This one goes right here. Alright, now we'll swing it around and see. Alright, hold on. Here's where the gas cap goes. Look at that. So your kid can play fill it up. Alright, let's see where they say all these stickers go. Just so we're good here. If it gives you a diagram of the stickers. G, B2, C1, D, got that, got that. H2. Alright. So H1 goes on this side. Right here. How are they? Oh, okay, goes up here. Look at that. Alright, now, fuck. Stay up there. Alright, we got to put this one on here. This says turbo. Look at that. Alright, now we have got a rear diffuser here. You know, because you need that on a turbo car. You need a rear fucking diffuser. You know what I'm saying? Alright, now all we got is these two here. And where do they go? F1 goes up in here somewhere. So this is the starting of it. So let's get that right there. Alrighty, then we have your temperature control, and it's 8:17 in the morning, which that's not really right, but alright. Time! Alrighty, the cart is finished. Hopefully Enzo enjoys this thing. I know he'll like climbing in and out of the door stuff. He's really into that. But this is his Easter gift from my mom, which is called Mame. So, Mom, here it is. Somebody owes me 25 bucks for fucking the rear axle. I don't know who that is, but anyway, somebody does. But like always, guys, go check out the Patreon account. Check out Junkie Shop Time on Instagram. Check out Facebook. All my social media bullshit. Like always, thanks for watching today. You watch me fuck around and make an asshole out of myself working on this kid's car for E, but it is for him, so cool. Thank you much. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Hopefully, leave it in the comments section if you've ever struggled this bad putting together goddamn Fisher-Price toy or Step 2. I don't know who in the hell makes it, but like always, thanks for watching, and I gotta fucking go.